In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to your Gmail account. Now, sharing access can be incredibly helpful. Whether you're working collaboratively on projects or managing multiple commitments, it's a tool that can enhance communication and productivity. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the account you want to share. If you aren't logged in yet, simply enter your email and password to access your account. Once you've opened your primary Gmail interface, keep an eye on the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a gear icon representing your settings menu. Click on that icon to open a drop-down list. From this list, select See All Settings to take you to the main settings page. Now, navigate through the various tabs until you find one labeled Accounts and Import. That's the one we're interested in today. Click on that tab, and you'll be presented with multiple options. You're looking for the section called Grant Access to Your Account. Here, you'll see an option to Add Another Account. What this does is it allows you to share your Gmail account with another person without handing over your password. It's a great way to maintain security while still sharing access. Click on Add Another Account, and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to share access with. It's crucial to double-check this email address before moving forward, as any error here might lead to sharing access with the wrong person. After entering the correct email, click the Next Step button, and you'll be shown a confirmation page. Here, Gmail will ask you to confirm that you indeed want to share account access. Review the information on this page carefully. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Send Email to grant access, which will generate an invitation email to the chosen person. They will receive an email asking for their acceptance to manage your Gmail, and once they accept, they will have delegated access to your account. It's important to remind the person you're sharing with to keep this access secure and limited to essential tasks to avoid any privacy concerns. Navigating these settings also allows you to revoke access in the future if necessary. In the same Grant Access to Your Account section, it really offers a layered security approach as you remain in control at all times. There you have it, a simple guide to sharing access to your Gmail account, making collaboration that much easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Until next time, take care.